Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how do I edit a view only Google Sheets on my iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet application and find out which documents that has view only access. For me, I already have and prepare one for you. So here is in a view only document. You can see like the information after you open the documents, or if you want to check either this document is in a view or edit, you just need to go click a random cells, and you can see here if there is an I symbol, so this document is only for view. And now if you want to edit this document, it's quite simple. You need to give or request a edit access to the document owner. But if you want to have this real quick, you just need to go click this share and export and go click make copy, and the application will copy everything, the whole documents for you, and you can just exploring the templates that you want to recreate and edit. So that's the way how do I edit the view only Google Sheets document on my iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.